Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how you can get drop down button in your Flutter application. So let's start with the video. So here we have a demo stateful widget. Okay, so we have a stateful widget, and what we can do is inside our body let's have a column. We have a children. Let's take a center widget and a text. We'll have our drop down. Example. Okay, so now we have our drop down example text. Let's have a text style. We'll set a font size of 30. Okay, so for drop down we need a list. Okay, so let's create a list of, let's say, my items is equal to, let's say we have our item 1, item 2, item 3. Okay, so this is our list of items. Let's say this is a type of string and we required a string which is, let's say, my value. Okay, so now we'll have a little bit of spacing, and now we can create our drop down button. Let's remove this const first. Okay, we have our drop down button. So it requires a list of items, as you can see, and we have our unchanged value. Okay, so let's see. We have our items, and our unchanged. Inside unchanged we will get the value. Okay, and these are our items, that is my items. Okay, so now as you can see we are getting an error because we simply cannot give the list of string because it requires a list of drop down menu items. Okay, so what you can do is simply you can map those items. Let's say that item, and we'll return our drop down menu item. Okay, and for the child we will have a text, and inside text we will have our item. Okay, our item, and for the value inside our drop down menu item we will have the item as our value. Okay, and then we can close this using .toList. Okay, so let's just save the application. You can see we have a little icon here which is our drop down menu button icon. We can give a hint of, let's say, a text widget which says select value. Okay, once you have the hint it will show it here, and we also have the value where we need to give our my value. Okay, so this value is going to be your value, that is you are going to select. Okay, and inside the unchanged you will get the unchanged. For suppose here we can see the items. What we can do is we can simply change the item. Okay, Now we have, let's hot restart once again so that our list will get refreshed. Okay, so here we have our item 123 and I'm selecting it. Nothing is happening because inside on change, what you can do is you can simply write your set stage and your my value is equal to the value that you get from selecting the value. Okay, so let's save the app, click on it, click on the item and it will get selected here. Okay, so now let's say, suppose I have this a model class of city, and let's say we have a list of cities. We'll have this list of cities here, and we want to create a drop down button which have these options of cities and it will show the name. Okay, so how you can do that? Okay, so let's just see. We need a value of our type city, like let's say my city, which is your value. Okay, so inside your drop down menu button, what you can do is you can simply select here like my city, and here instead of items it will be your cities, and this item you can select this value, and for here text you can show like item dot name, so you can able to see the name, and here you will get, instead of my value you can have your my city. Okay, simply just save the app. Now you will have the options from your cities, that is these are your cities. You can select it and you can see the option that you have selected as here. Okay, select it, it will work as you want. Okay, so this is how you can use the widget drop down button in your Flutter application to create this sort of drop down button. So hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more such videos. See you in the next time.